Going to begin with arithmetic progression today. Okay, we're going to begin with arithmetic progression. Can all of you see the board? Anybody who cannot see it? Arithmetic progression, is that visible to all? If anybody cannot see, please let me know. All of you can see it? Okay. This is one of the chapters which you all will be having for the exams, and which is one of the easier chapters of the 6 chapters that you have. Okay, this is one of the easiest chapters that is there. This will be there for 8 marks. Okay, as I said, okay, this will be there for 8 marks. Okay, this basically will involve some numbers. There is a logic that is there in the numbers. As long as you know those logic, if you can understand, like you do in puzzles, which is the next number and all those things, those kind of logics are going to be used. If you can understand that, these 8 marks you can easily score. Okay, all of these 8 marks are going to be there in your pocket. In this chapter, you will have only, I repeat again, only 2 formulas that are there. There will be only 2 formulas that you need to memorize. But at the same time, because this is easy, it is also confusing. You will come across terms such as N, AN, D, and SN. Okay, these are certain terms that will come across. A, then you will have N, then you will have TN, that is also called as AN, and you will have SN. If you can identify each of these terms, okay, what is A, what is N, what is TN, what is SN, if you can identify this, and if you know when to find N, when to find A, if all these things, these basic things you can do, you will get full marks in this chapter. But as invariably happens, more often than not, we get confused. N ढूंढना है, हम TN ढूंढ लेते हैं. TN ढूंढना है, हम SN ढूंढ लेते हैं. That is because our English is very strong, isn't it? All of you are in English medium school, so your English is very strong. So you end up and then, oh sir, मेरे को लगा ये ढूंढना है. That's not going to work. If you understand it properly, please, what is going to happen is you need to read the question not once, but twice or maybe thrice. If you read it and understand it properly, that 1.5 minutes that you'll invest in reading it again will save much more time and will see to it that you get your full marks. So that is all that you need to do that. Okay, but that's going forward. Now let's first understand AP stands, as I said, for arithmetic progression. Now what, before that, arithmetic progression is a special type of sequence. Arithmetic progression is a special type of sequence. So the question that arises is, what is a sequence? What is a sequence? Anybody? Any one of you who knows what is a sequence, you can unmute yourself and answer. Anybody who knows what is a sequence? Yes. नहीं पता? Write down there. A sequence is a set of numbers. A sequence is a set of numbers arranged in a definite order. A sequence is a set of numbers arranged in a definite order. Okay. What is a sequence? A sequence is a set of numbers arranged in a definite order. What that order is, that is not defined. Okay, the order can be anything. And in fact, that is what is going to be the challenge, or that is what is going to be the question in the puzzle for you to find out what is the order in the sequence. For example, now what is the next number that is going to come in this? If this is the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, what's the next number that's going to come? Yes,
5.
Anybody? After 5, again 5?
6.
Yeah, the next number will be 6. Okay, that's right. The next number will be 6. The number after that is going to be 7, and so on. Okay, now let's look at what would be the next number over here. Sorry, anyone? What would be the next number?
Excuse me, sir. The board is not clear.
Sorry, board is not
The
clear.
board is not clear. Yeah.
How about now?
Yeah, fine.
So the next number, anybody? Yeah, Zishan has answered. Anyone else? What is the next number? So the next number is 22. Still not visible? Is it visible now or still not visible? Can you see it now?
Yes, yes, yes. अरे वो उनका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो बुक क्वालिटी खराब हो रही बार बार, वो वैसे
So the numbers are 2, 7, 12, 17 and 22. Similarly, we can have, what about the next number over here? What is going to be the next number?
333.
Sorry. So the next number here is again going to be the same number.
3.
All of these are sequences. Okay. Whatever we had seen before, that was all of these are sequences. Now, of course, it's a different type of a sequence. Each is a different type of a sequence. But basically, you'll see there is some logic. Like, you know, here after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means every number is increasing by 1. In the second sequence that we had seen, every number was increasing by 5. Here, the number is constant. It is not changing at
In-
all. Okay, it is, or you can say it is increasing by 0. If I add 0 to this number, I get the next number. Okay. Is this the only this thing that logically it increases? Yes, there has to be a logic. What about this? What would be the next number over here? What would be the
30.
next number over here? Sorry? 30. Somebody said 30. Yes, what would be the next number? Anyone?
Sir, 36.
हाँ, अभी वो कॉमन आंसर आ जाते हैं, एक में दे दिया तो सबको मिल जाता है. Yes, that is right. It is 36. Sadali, it is not 3. Sadali, it is not 3. It is 36. Why 36? But why 36? Anybody? The logic here is this is 1 square, this is 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So obviously this has to be 6 square, which is 36. Okay. So this is also a sequence. 1 square, 2 square, that is also a sequence. Now here you will see the numbers are not increasing. Like here it was increasing by 555. Here it was increasing by 000. Here it was increasing only by 1. Here there is no fixed number by which it is increasing. The first two numbers, the difference is 3. Here it is increasing by 3, but here it is increasing by 5. And here it is increasing by 7. Here it is increasing by 9. Here it is increasing by 11. So the increase is not constant. The increase keeps on changing. Okay, so there is no constant increase that is there. But that is also a that is also a sequence. Then there are certain numbers. Okay, tell me what about this? This is working as of now. यहाँ तो बता अच्छा है हैंग डाउन